If you want to find something inside of the notes that you have in Evernote, then over here you can see the search option is available. So if I were to go around over here in search, then you can see that I can go around and add in a filter over here. Like let's say that I selected the info filter, and info filter is applied, and you can see all of the notes with the info filter in them. Let me just go around and then close this out right here. And once I do that, I'm going to go around onto the search area, and let me just go around and type in ever right here, just like this. And you can see that there are different Evernote Wikipedia snippets that I have, which can actually access it. If I were to go around and press enter, then what happens is that it shows up the search result right here, just like this. And you can see that all of the notes with the word ever in it pops up just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see right here. And now if you were to go around onto a particular note, then what you can also do is you can go around, click on the three dot button, and over here you can find within notes as well. So for with this, what happens is that it only searches out this specific note right here. So if I were to type in wiki right here, and then if I were to search it out, so I'm just going to go around, type in wiki, you can see that it highlights out the word wiki within this particular note only. So I can go around, press enter right here, enter, and it highlights out the rest of the wiki. You can also find next and go back right here, as you can see, just like this. Let me just close around, and this is what you have, as you can see right here. So that is how you can go around and find contents. And if you are using the desktop version, then you can see under the edit menu, you can search notes from over here as well. And then it accesses this particular search bar itself. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.